You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Is this you with your craft room where you don't even know where to start? Yeah, that's me. I don't know where to start with this, but start we shall and finish someday, some way. But let's just get started. First things first, let's get rid of all the stuff that doesn't belong in the craft room, like old comforters and like printer paper and school supplies. Why are they in here? I'll tell you why. Oh no! I didn't know. Hey, Christy Creates. I didn't know this was live. I was trying to record this but hey, I'll go live. What the heck? I'm live. I wanted this to be private, but whatever. That's just fine. I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm up to. Hi, Becky. Hi, Christy Creates. Hi, Mary. Hi, Brave One. Hi. This is my garage room, so I'm serious. I need an old priest and a young priest and just do an exorcism.
The power of Christ compels you! The power of Christ compels you!
Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started because I just need to clear things out. I'm not going to show you the whole organization thing because that'll take days, weeks. I don't know. Check in with me. Maybe I'll get lost in here. Something. Moving crap from one place to another is an accomplishment, people. All right, look. Look. I can move. I can dance. What's the most important thing you need when you're cleaning out your craft room? Energy and hope. The message for today, I didn't think I was going to go live at this moment, but the message is pretty much, just get started. Just start. Don't be afraid. If you spend an hour, it's an hour doing good. Look how much I've done in half an hour. I couldn't walk in this room, and in half an hour, I've cleared out at least a walkway space, and I can go from there. So give yourself grace, give yourself time, and say, you know what, today I only have 1 hour to spend. Don't think you're going to finish the whole room in 1 hour. That's impossible. But you're going to do more in 1 hour cleaning up your craft room than you are watching TV. So, go for it, ladies. Clean up your craft room. Just get started. Like looking at what you have and what you don't have, what you need, so you can get the year started. Maybe you need more glue sticks. Maybe you need a new glue gun, like the one from Surebonder. Maybe you didn't get the glue gun that you wanted from Surebonder and somebody gave you an Amazon card. Check out my links below. Get yourself a Surebonder gun. And just get started. Just get started. See what you have, what you need, what you don't need, and go for it. Don't be afraid. Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones. I am wearing my lovely Bob Ross shirt because I need his vibe in here. I need happy trees, happy anything. Just something. So as you can see, I created my own styrofoam risers. I use these 1-inch styrofoam sheets and just kept building them up like steps. And this was the most innovative and creative way to use the styrofoam that I had laying around the house. These containers these risers from Dollar Tree is what I had before, but obviously my paint collection has overwhelmed me. So that's why I use these styrofoam risers. Now all I have to do is get all the paints that I have on my desk and put them where they belong, on the risers. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have quite clutter here. Quite a clutter? Quite cluttery. It's quite cluttered up. So I'm gonna work on that and maybe use these drawers that I have. Drawers. least now I can see the wood of the table. Yes, there was actually a table over there. But there's still a lot of work to do. Stay tuned. Well, we have achieved a desk. Not necessarily a clean desk, but a desk. What's next? That's right, crud cutter. Let's cut the crud. I don't know how good this will, well, excuse the laundry in the background, but sorry. I don't know how good this will work on paint, but let's try it out, okay? Let's see how it looks. Yes, filming with one hand. This, look at that. Look at that, people. All right, you heard it. Crud cutter. Get it. Get it now. Cut the crud. Hey guys, look, what do you think? I finally got it done. I have a nice, clean crafting surface area. I have my future crafts right here waiting for me. I have this basket here ready for me to put all of my Valentine's Day products and stuff right in there. And look at this paint display. I mean, seriously, Hobby Lobby couldn't do any better. So thanks, Plaid and PlaidFX, for giving me all these wonderful apple barrel paints and Mod Podge. I love it, love it. And I have all these Dollar Tree containers. They're all filled with all of my items that I need for crafting, all my random items that I hoard, my wood, my flowers, Halloween, Christmas, Easter. They're all there. They're all there just waiting for me to be creative, and I don't have to look for it anywhere, and it's just right here. And look, no, look. Oh, no, look, no, stop.
I am so sorry for everything that has happened. Because it was my project. And I insisted on everything. I insisted that we keep going. Everything had to be my way. And this is where we've ended up.
I have no words. I don't know what to say. I am thoroughly embarrassed. Okay, I know. I was one of the co-hosts. I had Sammie from Unicorn Dust and Designs, and I had Jamie from SimpleRoots SimpleLiving. I mean, did you see what they did? It was incredible. I mean, truly inspiring. And what did I do? I did half a craft room. But you know, hey, that's half better than nothing, right? Come on. Give ourselves a pat on the back, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that's struggled, right? Well, even if you just did a little corner of your craft room, even if you just put away some of your craft hoard, I am proud of you. And most importantly, I am so glad that you joined us in this challenge to organize our craft rooms. I'll get the rest of it done by the end of the month, I promise, and I'll give you a full display of my craft room, and I won't hide the hoard like I did this time. Anyway, guys, as I always say when I say goodbye to my friends out there, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure, even if it's just cleaning your craft room, because that was dangerous in of itself. Right, Luke?
Yes.
All right, bye guys, I'll see you soon, take care. I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,
Oh!